Good morning, grade 3. Hope you're fine. Today we're gonna move to lesson number 2 on the science subjects, and we're gonna talk about plants' needs. As you can see in the picture, plants come in different sizes and shapes. Some of them have spiky leaves, some of them rounded, so they do come in different sizes and shapes. But as we said, that they are different, but they have something in common. The common thing is that all plants make their own food. So plants make their own food inside the plant itself by the help of several things. So to make their own food, plants need energy. From where do they get the energy? They get it from the sun, and also from the nutrients that are found in the soil. Let's know more about the structure of the plants. So plants have on top the flower, then we go to the leaves, and then the stem, the long part, and then the roots. Okay, so structure of the plant or the parts of the plant. Okay, so each part has a job, and they do their job to let the plant survive. Some plants are called fruity plants. That means they hold fruits. Some of them they hold cones, and some of them they hold flowers from top. So we have different types of plants. Some of them are hold fruits, some of them hold cones, and some of them holds flowers. Most of the plants grow in the ground, and this is what I said. Their roots are found in the ground, and from the ground they get the water and nutrients they need. Most plants have roots and stem. So the roots are in the ground or underground, the stem is up, and the leaves are from top. How do roots help plants? Roots are structures that take in water and hold a plant in place. So the roots have two main roles: hold the plant in its place and take in water and nutrients from the ground. So can you see the arrows? They show you the flow of water from the ground up to the plant. Okay. So some plants have a tap root, which is one big thick root, and not many roots as the one I showed you before. So if a plant has one big root or thick root, we call it tap. As here you can see, we have different types of plants. We have plant A and plant B. Plant A has many roots. Plant B, as a carrot, has one thick root, which we call it the tap root. Here is a big tree and with many roots. Of course, this is not a tap root, it's a tree with many roots. How do roots take in nutrients? Of course, as I said before, that roots of the plants, they take the water and the nutrients from the soil. Okay, what are nutrients? Nutrients are substances or like vitamins that are found in the soil that help the plant stay healthy. Roots that you can eat. So there are some roots that you can eat, such as the radish or the carrot or the sweet potato. These are examples of roots that you can eat. The roots cling tightly to the sand. So there are some trees that the roots are really stuck down in the sand. Okay. How do stems help plants? As I said, that stem is a part of the plant, and stems have a very important job for plants. A stem is a structure that holds a plant. Okay, so the stem of a plant holds it up, and also a stem distributes the water and nutrients up to the whole plant. Okay, so here we have the water, and the stem distributes the water up to the plant. So water and nutrients flow up from the roots to the stem. As I said, that stem's job is to move the water and nutrients up to the plant. Food flows from the leaves to the other parts of the plant, and this is what you should know, that in the leaves, the job of the leaves is the place. Actually, it's the place where food is made. Okay, so food flows from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. So the place of making food is the leaf. Okay, here we have an example of flowers that have soft and green stems, while this is another example of a plant that has a very thick and hard stem. Okay, so stems differ according to the plant itself.